welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 4th to the 8th of May 2026 on Monday. A very suspicious Cohen makes sure 210 Savannah Ntuthuko makes a surprising offer to Kganalelo. Tshidi draws a line in the sand with Gidiboni on Tuesday. Linda's frantic attempt to reach out to Delin led to an unexpected revelation. An unexplained encounter leaves Ephraim questioning where Gidiboni's loyalty truly lie on Wednesday. Talita marks her target and starts to load her weapon. It's time to start a war. The men in Kganalelo's life make a big turnaround, but will she be swayed? Ephraim blinkers are finally removed and he is florid on Thursday. A ghost from the past resurfaces. His silence ended with an unexpected call to Mtunes, and Ntuthuko makes a heartfelt plea. A father realizes that maybe this may not be the moment for him on Friday. A medical revelation changes everything, and the price is higher than imagined. Bukosi risked it all for the last chance at love. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.